BMW fans, here's another installation again. So I replaced my catalytic converter on this old X5 that I bought because I just wanted to just drive BMW. So I've got this old X5. It was a good deal. We had problems with the catalytic converter, the owner told me, but otherwise generally it was in good condition. The owner looked after it real good. And after replacing the catalytic converter, I noticed that there was not enough power. I did gain some power, but still there was no power like a BMW. So I decided today to tear down the engine, remove the covers, and go through this engine and check all the vacuum lines, because I was getting a check engine light too. And so I checked all the vacuum lines. They looked intact. The throttle intake there, cover valve is looking all good, and I removed everything, and lo and behold, well, I checked the secondary line. I cleaned it with some GDI intake valve cleaner, which goes over there, and I cleaned that because I was thinking maybe it's a secondary intake valve. I checked the vacuum lines there. Still, there was nothing wrong with it. So I tore down the side where the Disa is, and lo and behold, we came across our problem. So as you can see here, somebody put sealant on the Disa. Yeah, so the Disa goes over here. Let me put it in for you so you can see how it goes. So the Disa goes over here, and when the Disa is in working properly and the flap works properly, the car will fall. These are some of the areas that cause air leak. As you can see, the Disa works well, and if I pull the flap and hold that, cover the hole, it works properly. So that wasn't a problem. But lo and behold, let's put it so we can see properly what was happening. As you can see, the O-ring is flat, so it was leaking, and somebody decided to put some sealant there from the previous owner or the mechanic. I don't know. This is wrong, but I can understand why they did that. Now if you go to BMW and say, you know, I want an O-ring for a Disa, they won't give you an O-ring. They'll give you a new Disa. A new Disa costs $435, so you don't want to do that. So I guess that's why they put the seal there, but this compromises airflow, everything. So this wasn't really a good fix, not good thinking there. You could have just looked online for you know, some O-rings on eBay or something just to replace this. And lo and behold, I mean, if you go to Amazon, I went to Amazon, and in Amazon I bought the motor working professional part. This is a Disa repair kit. As you can see, it comes with a new O-ring and a new flap for the Disa and some tools just to repair the Disa. So easy fix, but this can cause problems and vacuum leaks and check engine lights. So BMW fans, here's another fix for you. Let me fix this, and then I'll take this for a spin and tell you how it goes. Yeah.